Reuters, Wall Street. Euro trademark S main indexes came under pressure on Tuesday following a 2.5% drop in Apple Euro trademark S shares on a report of weak iPhone X demand. Apple, AAPLO, will slash its sales forecast for its flagship phone in the current quarter to 30 million units, down from what it said was an initial plan of 50 million units, Taiwan Euro trademark S Economic Daily reported, citing unidentified sources. That, along with a few bearish brokerage calls on iPhone X demand, put its shares on track for their worst single-day percentage fall since August 10. Shares of companies that supply parts to Apple, including Broadcom, AVGOO, Skyworks Solutions, SWKSO, Finisar, FNSRO, and Lumentum Holdings, LITEO, fell between 2% and 5.5%. The S&P Technology Index. SPLRCT fell 0.7%, the biggest loser among the 11 major S&P 500 sectors. The tech-heavy Nasdaq.IXIC fell 0.37% to 6,934.14 as high-flying names such as Facebook, Amazon, Alphabet, and Netflix declined. It looks to me that technology sector, already paying the lowest in taxes of around 24%, will not get as much of an impact as the financial sector, which pays the highest, said Sandy Villiers, portfolio manager of the Villiers Balanced Fund. It may be that rotation has begun and the FANGs may see some profit taking into next year. A long-promised Republican bill to cut corporate tax rates to 21% from 35% was ratified last week. At 12:26 p.m. ET, 17:26 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. DJI fell 0.08% to 24,734.98 and the S&P 500. SPX slipped 0.09% to 2,680.88. Most markets around the world, including parts of Europe and Asia, were shut on Tuesday. Trading volumes are also expected to be light in the holiday week. Oil prices jumped more than 2%, helped by an explosion on a crude pipeline in Libya and voluntary OPEC-led supply cuts. O/R. Chevron, CVXN, EOG Resources, EOGN, Exxon, XOMN, and ConocoPhillips, COPN, rose between 0.8% and 2.5%. Shares of department store operators Cola Euro Trademark S, KSSN, JCPenney, JCPN, and Masaya Euro Trademark S, MN, got a boost after a report that retail sales in the holiday period rose at their best pace since 2011. Sucompo Pharma, SCMPO, surged 6% after Mallinckrodt, MNKN, said it would acquire the drug maker for $1.2 billion. Mallinckrodt shares rose 2%. Bitcoin BTC equals BTSP traded up more than 14% at $15,865, recovering from last week's sell-off that saw the cryptocurrency plunge about 30%. Related stocks such as Riot Blockchain, RIOTO, Overstock.com OSTKN, and Longfin Corp, LFINO, rose between 3% and 37%. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,702 to 1,117. On the Nasdaq, 1,463 issues fell and 1,386 advanced.